What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between Oppo Reno 10 5G and Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G smartphones to see which device is better in terms of hardware specs and which device is going to get more points in terms of benchmarking test score results. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today here on our devices. So first of all, let's start with Antutu benchmarking. So Oppo Reno 10 5G scored 459,824 and Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G scored 684,235. So as you can see, the performance of Tecno Camon 20 Premier is way better compared to Oppo Reno 10 5G. If we go to the individual test score results, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and as you can see in all of these four, performance of Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G is better compared to Oppo Reno 10 5G. The biggest difference is coming from the GPU and then memory, then CPU and then UX. So you can expect better overall performance from Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G smartphone. So let's go back from here. Now let's have a look on 3D Mark. So this test is divided in multiple parts, and as you can see that Tecno Camon 20 Premier is so powerful that it totally maxed out on Slingshot Extreme and also on Slingshot. So we will compare the result of Wildlife and Wildlife Extreme. So in Wildlife, Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G scored 4,562 and Reno 10 5G scored 2,266, while in Wildlife Extreme, Reno 10 5G scored 634 and Tecno Camon 20 Premier scored 1316. So as you can see that in both of these tests, Wildlife and Wildlife Extreme, performance of Tecno Camon 20 Premier is twice of what we are getting on Reno 10 5G. And since this is a GPU benchmarking test, it gives the idea about the gaming capability of the device. You can expect way better gaming experience on Tecno Camon 20 Premier compared to Reno 10 5G. If we compare the generated FPS, so once again you can see Tecno Camon 20 Premier is scoring twice of what we are getting on Reno 10 5G in terms of FPS as well, as you can see here. So the gaming performance of Tecno Camon 20 Premier is going to be way better compared to Reno 10 5G. Now if you go to the Geekbench 5, so Reno 10 5G scored 750 in single core and 2263 in multi-core, while Tecno Camon 20 Premier scored 854 in single core and 3077 in multi-core. So once again, the performance of Tecno Camon 20 Premier is better compared to Oppo Reno 10 in Geekbench 5 as well. So in all of these tests, performance of Tecno is better compared to Oppo here, and that's why the winner is Tecno Camon 20 Premier when it comes to comparison with Oppo Reno 10. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.